My name is Lisa. I am a vegetarian. I choose to eat vegetables, fruits, rice, and beans. I do not eat meat or fish. I feel happy with this choice. It helps my body and my mind. I eat many kinds of food. I like apples, bananas, and oranges. I like carrots, cucumbers, and tomatoes. I cook at home every day. I make rice with vegetables. I also make soup and salad. My food is always fresh and colorful. One day I was sick. I went to the doctor. He asked, "What do you eat?" I said, "I eat only plants." The doctor smiled. He said, "That is very good. Your food helps you heal faster." I felt proud. I knew my food helped me feel better. When I eat clean food, I have more energy. I can walk, run, and play with friends. I sleep well at night. I wake up happy. My skin is better. I do not feel tired. This is why I love eating this way. Some people ask me, "Why do you not eat meat?" I say, "I want to be kind to animals. I also want to care for the earth." Eating plants uses less water and land. It is better for nature. I talk to my friends about food. Some want to try eating like me. I say, start with 1 day a week. Try vegetables you like. Try to cook simple meals. It is not hard. You can do it. One day, my friend Mark came to my house. He said, "I want to eat like you." I made him vegetable soup and rice. He ate slowly. He smiled. He said, "This is good. I feel light and strong." I said, "You can eat this food every day." Mark said, "I will try." I think food is not only for the body, it is also for the heart. When I cook, I feel calm. When I eat, I feel love. I want to share this love with others. Last weekend I went to the park. There was a food fair. Many people brought food. I brought a big bowl of salad. I put lettuce, tomatoes, corn, and beans. I also brought fruit slices. I shared my food with others. A woman asked, "Did you make this?" I said, "Yes, I made it at home." She said, "It tastes fresh and sweet." I said, "Thank you. It is all from plants." She said, "I want to try this at home." Children also came to taste the food. They liked the fruit the most. They ate apples and bananas. They smiled and said, "Yummy." I was happy. I met a man who said, "I eat meat every day, but this food is good." I said, "You can eat plant food too. Just try 1 meal a day." He said, "I will talk to my wife. We want to eat better." I asked, "What food do you like?" He said, "I like beans and rice." I said, "That is great. You can add vegetables too. It is easy and good." Later, I talked to a group of students. They were curious about vegetarian food. One student asked, "Where do you get protein?" I said, "From beans, lentils, and tofu." They were surprised. They said, "We did not know that." I showed them pictures of meals I cooked. They looked at the colors. They said, "It looks nice." I said, "Yes, it tastes good too. Do you want to try one day?" They said, "Yes, we will try next week." Some people asked for recipes. I gave them paper with simple meals. One recipe was for vegetable soup. One was for fruit salad. They were happy to get ideas. I also met an old lady. She said, "I cannot cook much." I said, "You can eat simple food. Try a banana and rice." She smiled and said, "I will do that." At the end of the day, I sat on the grass. I looked at the sky. I felt calm. I felt proud. I did something good. I shared my food and my heart. Now I plan to make a small book. It will have easy recipes. It will show how to cook with vegetables. I want more people to try. I will take pictures. I will write easy steps. What do you eat? Do you want to feel better? Let us eat food that helps us and the earth. Let us be kind to our body and others. Let us enjoy every meal we make. Lesson 2. I am Tom. I am a vegetarian. I do not eat meat. I do not eat fish. I eat vegetables. I eat fruit. I eat rice and bread. I drink water and juice. I like my food. It is simple. It is clean. I feel good. Every morning I wake up at 6 o'clock. I open the window. I take a deep breath. The air is fresh. I smile. I say good morning to the new day. Then I go to the kitchen. I eat a banana. I eat some bread. I drink a glass of water. Sometimes I drink juice. My breakfast is light, but it gives me energy. After breakfast, I go for a walk. I walk around my neighborhood. I see trees. I see birds. I see people. I say hello. They smile. They say hello back. I feel happy. Walking is good for me. I like the sun. I like the wind. I take my time. At 10 o'clock, I sit down and read a book. I like to read about health and food. I want to learn more about vegetables and fruits. I think vegetables are very good. They help me stay strong. They help me stay happy. I write some notes. I drink water again. At noon, I go to the kitchen. I wash vegetables. I cut carrots. I cut cucumbers. I cook rice. I make a salad. I put some lemon on it. I add a little oil and salt. I sit at the table. I say thank you for the food. Then I eat slowly. I enjoy every bite. The food is fresh. It tastes good. In the afternoon, I work on my computer. I write stories. I write about my life as a vegetarian. I want to help other people. I want to show that vegetarian food is good. It is easy. It is healthy. Sometimes my friends come to visit me. They eat meat, but they try my food. They say it is tasty. They ask me how to cook it. I tell them. I say it is easy. You can cook with love. You can use fresh food. You can enjoy simple meals. In the evening, I take a short walk. The sky is orange. The sun goes down. I look at the trees. I feel calm. I go home. I make dinner. I eat soup. I eat fruit. I clean the kitchen. Then I sit on my sofa. I read a little more. At night, I take a shower. I drink warm water. I go to bed at 9 o'clock. I close my eyes. I feel good. I feel healthy. Being a vegetarian is my choice. It is a good choice for me. It helps me feel strong. It helps me feel kind. I sleep well. What food do you like? Do you want to try vegetarian food? Let us eat healthy. Let us take care of our body. Let us be happy every day. Yesterday, I went to the market. It was a sunny day. The sky was blue. There were white clouds. I felt happy. I took my bag. I walked down the street. I saw a cat. The cat ran across the road. I laughed. When I arrived at the market, I saw many people. Some people talked. Some people walked. Some people bought food. I saw many colors. I saw red apples. I saw green beans. I saw yellow bananas. I saw orange carrots. The market was big. It was full of life. I went to the fruit stand first. I asked the seller, "How much are the apples?" He said, $2 a kilo. I bought 2 kilos. I also bought bananas and oranges. Then I went to the vegetable stand. I saw tomatoes, lettuce, onions, and garlic. I picked fresh ones. The seller said, "These are from my farm." I smiled. I said, "Thank you." I paid with cash. There were many other things in the market. There were bags, clothes, and flowers. I looked at the flowers. They were red, pink, and white. I did not buy flowers, but I liked to see them. After shopping, I sat on a bench. I drank water. I looked around. I saw happy faces. I saw children with their parents. I saw a man selling bread. The bread looked soft. I asked, "What is the price?" He said, $1. I bought one loaf. It was warm. I ate a piece. It was very good. Then I walked home. The sun was high. The street was quiet. I saw a dog. The dog was small. It wagged its tail. I said hello. I felt calm. I liked the day. At home, I washed the food. I cut the vegetables. I cooked soup. I made rice. I put food on a plate. I sat and ate. The food was tasty. It was hot and fresh. I felt proud. I made a good meal. At night, I read a book. I drank tea. I thought about the market. I will go again next week. There is so much to see. There is so much to buy. I like the market. It is a happy place. It is part of my life. Do you like the market? What do you buy there? Let us eat fresh food. Let us enjoy our meals. Let us be kind to our body and our earth.